Improve your English vocabulary by learning new words with their meanings.
Beverage. Liquids for drinking, usually excluding water. Refreshment.
Bewilder. Led into perplexity or confusion. Perplex with mazes.
Bias. Preference or inclination, especially one that inhibits impartial judgment. Influence in unfair way.
Bid. Make an offer of propose. Offer in words. Declare as a wish, a greeting, a threat or defiance.
Bill, invoice, act, proposal, statement or list of particulars, such as a theatre program or menu.
Boolean. The number that is represented as a 1 followed by 9 zeros.
Bind, tie, or confine with a cord, band or chain, make fast. Contract, cohere or stick together.
Biographer, one who writes a book about somebody's life.
Biography, an account of the series of events making up a person's life. Accounts of people's life. Biologist, scientist who studies living organisms.
Bite. Bear skin with teeth. Seize with the teeth. Sting with a stinger. Eat into. Have a sharp taste.
Bitter, harsh or corrosive in tone. Painful, acrid, acrimonious.
Bitterness. Sharp and bitter manner.
Blacksmith, one who forges and shapes iron with a hammer and anvil.
Blade, flat part of the leaf of any plant, especially of gramineous plants, cutting part of an instrument. Blame, condemn, rebuke, find fault with. Censure, blank, of a white or pale color, without collar, empty, void.
Blanket. Heavy, loosely woven fabric, usually of wool, and having a nap, used in bed clothing.
Blast, explode, burst. Gale, very strong gust of wind or air.
Blaze. Brilliant burst of fire.
Destructive fire. Flame. Bleach, make white or colorless. Blanch.
Bleed, emit blood,
Lose blood, withdraw blood from the body. Blend, combination, mixture, forming uniform mixture.
Bless. Make or pronounce holy. Consecrate. Make happy.
Blessing, praying for divine protection. Formal act of giving approval. Blink, shut eyes briefly.